Welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to do schnitzel on the grill. Not deep fried, but grilled directly over your hot charcoal. Traditionally, schnitzel is made with veal. But in Germany, more often than not, people use pork loin instead, and it makes a fantastic schnitzel. Basically, you have to flatten your meat first with a meat mallet, then bread it, and then deep fry it. That's the traditional way of making schnitzel. But about a year or so ago, I came across this Instagram post by Richard Rollins. You can find him on Instagram as Pigs on Barbecue. And he grilled a schnitzel directly on the grill. So I reached out to Richard to see if he can share his recipe and his how-to with us, and he did. So let me show you how to do it. When making schnitzel, you want to make sure that your meat is very thin. Flatten it with a meat mallet until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. After breading the meat, let it rest in the fridge for about 20 minutes, so that the breading can stick and dry while the grill is coming up to temperature. Grill the schnitzel at about 400 to 425 degrees of indirect heat for about 10 minutes on each side. All right, the schnitzel is finally done. It took about 10 minutes each side at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit on the grill. And we cooked it on indirect heat, so it's not directly over the flames. Yeah, let's try it out. I mean, it looks pretty amazing, I think. It almost looks deep fried. I guess the secret here is that the little spritzer of oil that we gave kind of deep fried it a little bit, like mimics the deep fry. Looks pretty amazing. Did you guys hear the crunch? Let's see. Oh yeah, this is good. Let me put a little bit of lemon on. Schnitzel is great with a bit of lemon juice. So what goes really well with this is fried potatoes, French fries, and actually my favorite is to fry an egg and have a fried egg on top of the schnitzel. So that's kind of, how you can take this a little bit further and make this like a bigger meal. It's pretty amazing. Hey guys, you might have noticed I had some ghost pepper on the cutting board today. What do you do with ghost pepper? Have you ever used ghost pepper before? It's an extremely spicy pepper, much more spicy than a habanero or a jalapeno pepper, something like that. So, if you know what I can do with this, please let me know. And I'm looking forward to see you next week. Thank you so much.